Do you want to learn watercolor and paint using it?
Like all these paintings which I have made using watercolor. Hope you like them all.
Self-made watercolor artist, to help you out with the solutions and the techniques to be used in watercolor from the basic as to the advanced level. Watercolor is considered to be one of the most difficult medium in the world for painting, but I assure you that if you know the tricks and techniques of how to control the color and the water on the paper, it is the most interesting one too. The same thing will be done by my videos. I'll be showing you the basics, the core basics and fundamentals of watercolor, like what are the tools to be used, what are the appliances, kind of paper you have to use, as well as the different kind of washes and how to use them on painting. As soon as we complete the basic level, we will move on to painting portraits, landscapes, as well as realistic painting. As a watercolor artist, I want to share all the techniques so that I motivate more and more artists to start painting using watercolor. For more videos on my teaching, you can see the link over here. So like, subscribe and share as much as you can, and do come back for my learning sessions.